Hello everyone, welcome back to your girl channel. I'm back again with another video. I know I haven't gone for so long, but a lot has happened. I cannot wait to tell you guys everything. I'm doing so much better now. I'm grateful to God that it's like a new me, it's like, I changed a lot in my life, and I'm back and we're gonna kill it. So I had this hair sitting around in my shop. If some of you guys don't know, I have a salon suite. I've been running now for a couple of months, so I'm trying to juggle with the YouTube and the salon suites. But now I think I have got everything under control, so I want to start coming back on YouTube, doing a lot more, like, showing you guys so much more. So your girl is back. I put 2 layers of this holding spray on my head. If I'm not mistaken, it was about 2 layers I put on my hair. This wig stays in my hair for, I think, 2 days, because if I put the spray on, I don't like for the wig to stay too long on my head. So this wig stays on my hair for at least 2 days. I went ahead and I bleached it because I wanted to try something new, and I'm glad that I did because I really like it. I'm gonna come back with another video again, putting more highlights in the hair, because I really like how the hair looks on me. So I want to put like more highlights in the hair. So yeah, but apart from that, a lot has happened, guys, and I'm so happy to be back. I cut off a lot of friendships around me. I just changed my environment because I wanted, change in my life. And if you want to change in your life, you just got to change your environment. I think that's the key, and that's something that I have learned. I am in a better place right now. I'm doing so much better. I'm so like, it just, things are just great for me right now. So I am truly grateful to God, and you guys are gonna be seeing a lot more videos from me. I'm really excited to be back. So right now I'm just putting the band on the hair. This was just like something quick. I just turned on my camera, and I was like, you know what, let me because I have been planning to come back, but I didn't know what video I was gonna come back with. But because I really like the hair, so I turned on the camera. I was like, you know what, let me come back with just telling you guys what has been going on with me and stuff like that. I was in a relationship, and I broke that off, a toxic relationship. It was not for me. I was trying to hold on to something that God said it was not for me, and I'm glad that I left, and I have been happy since then. I found myself again, and and I have a new group of friends that appreciate me more. The other friends I had, it was just so toxic, jealousy and all kinds of stuff, because y'all know, when good things start happening for you, some friends are not happy for you. They just want to mess everything up for you and stuff like that. So that was another one that I had to go through. So I just had to sit back and just ask God for the strength to bring me back, and just everything was good. Like, I'm happy that I did what I did, because God has been showing me a lot of signs to get away from these people. But I'm a type of person that I like to hold on, but now I have learned the hard way, and I don't think it's going to happen again. So right now I'm just putting some big curls in the hair. I was on my way to go hang out with some friends and stuff. So, but yeah, I really like this hair. I'm gonna be coming back again, showing you guys putting more highlights in the hair. So right now I'm just putting some big curls in the hair. Nothing, yeah, nothing serious, just some big curls and make it look sexy and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Thanks to all my new subscriber. I see you guys coming every day. I know I haven't been posting, but I see you guys coming every day, and I appreciate all of you guys. Y'all gonna be getting a lot more videos from me. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Your girl is back like she never left. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and continue watching the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.